Are you looking for a video about subsets of real numbers? Then this video is right for you. So, without much further ado, let's begin. Hi, my name is Rowel Carpio, a math teacher and a coach, and I do math tutorial in my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to present to you subsets of real numbers. So what are the different subsets of real numbers? So let us look at the Venn diagram representing the subsets of real numbers. So we have here the real numbers, and inside the real numbers, we have the rational numbers, and we have also irrational numbers. Under rational numbers, we have the integers. And under the integers, we have the whole numbers. And under the whole numbers, we have also the natural numbers. Now let us look at the diagram of the real numbers. So let us start by defining what are real numbers. So we say that a real number is a number that can be found on the number line. These are the numbers that we normally use and apply in real world applications. So we have here the number line. So from negative numbers, fractions, the zero, we have the whole numbers, the counting numbers, even the terminating and non-terminating, non-repeating decimals are all real numbers. These are all real numbers because these are not imaginary numbers. Now, under the real numbers, we have two classifications. We have the rational numbers and we have also irrational numbers. So, what are rational numbers? A rational number is a number that can be written as a ratio of two integers. So meaning to say that a rational number can be expressed as a fraction. So examples of rational numbers include the negative 8, 2/3, negative 1/2, 4, 0, and so on. Now how about irrational numbers? What are irrational numbers? An irrational number is a number that cannot be written as a ratio of two integers. So meaning to say that irrational numbers, these are numbers that are non-terminating and non-repeating decimals. Examples of irrational numbers are the value of pi. We have here the value of pi, 3.1415, and so on. Since the value of pi is a non-terminating and non-repeating decimal, so it is an irrational number. We have also the square root of 2. The value of the square root of 2 is 1.41213, and so on. This is also an example of non-terminating and non-repeating decimal. That's why square root of 2 is also an example of an irrational number. Now, for rational numbers, these are classified into two. We have fractions and integers. So what are fractions? A fraction is a part of a whole. Fractions are found between any two integers. Fractions can be renamed into decimals. So these are examples of fractions. We have 1/2, 4 and 3/5, 9 and 17/25, and so on. How about integers? So what are integers? So integers are the whole valued positive and negative numbers and the zero. So positive integers are the numbers to the right of 0 in the number line, while negative integers are the numbers to the left of 0 in the number line. So we have here the number line. So these numbers, -1, -2, -3, and so on are found at the left of 0, and these are negative integers, while 1, 2, 3, and so on are found to the left of 0, and these are all positive integers. So whether we have a negative integers, the 0, and the positive integers, they are all integers. Under integers, we have the whole numbers. So what are whole numbers? Whole numbers include the 0 and the counting or natural numbers. Examples of whole numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on. So meaning to say that whole numbers only include the 0 plus the positive integers. So meaning to say that the least whole number is 0. So the whole numbers are divided into two. We have the 0 and the natural numbers. So what are natural numbers? A natural number is a counting number. So the least natural number is 1. Examples of natural numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. So all counting numbers are also called the natural numbers. That's why the least natural number is 1. So you have here the subsets of real numbers. So real numbers are classified into two, rational numbers and irrational numbers, while rational numbers are also classified into two. We have the fractions and integers. Under the integers, we have the whole numbers. And whole numbers are divided into two. We have the 0 and the natural or counting numbers. So there you have it, the subsets of real numbers. I hope that you have learned and enjoyed watching this video. See you again in my next video. Thank you.